Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and today we will be replacing the CMOS battery in your Panasonic Toughbook CF-33. First thing you want to do is unlock and then separate the tablet from the keyboard. Now you want to take the batteries out. You have to remove these 3 screws. And this plate should slide down. Sometimes it's a little tricky. Get that out the way. Then you want to remove the screws around this cover here. It's 9 screws. And this part comes out. Remove the plastic piece and there'll be 2 more screws to remove. And there's 2 screws sunken down here that you need to remove, and that'll loosen up the whole thing. Flip this over. Go ahead and peel that piece of tape up. Now you can set that to the side. Okay, so you want to remove this ribbon cable. You'll peel this tape back and there'll be a little black plastic clip. And that right there is your CMOS battery. Peel that piece of tape off. Pop this off, and normally these batteries are kind of stuck with some kind of tape, so you want to gently kind of pry it off. It may take a couple tries. Pull this back out the way. And then very gently, you can just wiggle it out. Now we can grab your new CMOS battery. And you can place that back in. Once that's back in, you want to curl these wires back up. Insert the 2 ribbon cables and make sure they're snapped down. You can place your tape back. Connect that ribbon cable back. those two side screws in first. And now you can put the rest of your screws back. You don't want to forget any screws, and make sure your battery cover is put back on. And now you can put your batteries back in. And you're all set. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments, you can leave below.